My name is Kristen Oyen. I'm the specialist for the blind and visually impaired at the Minnesota Department of Education, and I'll be showing you how to make a tactile bar today. I'll show you the items that we'll need to make the bar, and then we'll put one together. So the first thing you'll need is a 10-foot length, 3/4 inch PVC pipe. You'll also need 2 PVC tees. They have 3 holes, 1 on the bottom, 2 on the sides. You'll need 2 3/4 inch elbows. They also have 2 holes, 1, 2. And you'll need 4 3/4 inch end caps. And they have 1 hole in the middle. All right. If you do not cut your PVC pipe at the store where you purchase it, you will need either a ratcheting PVC cutter or a hacksaw, and you could use a miter box to make sure you have a clean cut for your PVC pipe. So the miter box just makes sure your angle is straight up and down. If you're cutting your own PVC pipe, you may need a tape measure. You will need a tape measure. So to cut PVC pipe with a PVC cutter, you open the cutter, you put the PVC pipe right in the middle, and it'll ratchet it. Each time you squeeze the cutter, it will ratchet closed. And the more you squeeze, the more it will cut. I want to make sure I'm in the, and it'll cut right now. Cut it in 2 pieces. Pretty easy. If I can do it, I'm almost positive you can. And another thing you may need is some clean sand if you want to weight your tactile bar. And if you're planning on gluing the bar together in a standing position, you will need some PVC glue. So those are all the materials that you'll need. So now I'll show you how to put the toy bar together. So you will have needed to cut the 10-foot PVC pipe into 1 30-inch piece, 2 25-inch pieces, and 4 10-inch pieces. So the first thing you do is you take your 30-inch piece and you put 1 elbow onto each end. Like that. And like that. So there are 2 elbows on the 30-inch piece. The next thing you do is you connect 1 25-inch piece to the end of each elbow. You just push them together. It's pretty simple. All right. So you've got a rectangle without a bottom. Then you connect a T to the end of each of the 25-inch pieces. There's 1. Here's 2. All right. And then you put 1 10-inch piece at the end, either end of each of the 2 T's. There's 1 end. And here's the other end. Okay. Then the very last thing you do, you want to try to put it all together first and make sure it stands and everything is adjusted before you add sand or glue. So you want to put on the end caps just to make sure everything fits. Okay. I don't think I can back up enough, but here's the toy bar. It has 2 feet. 1, 2, and the top of the bar is where you'll be hanging your student-specific objects. So that, you want to make sure it stands and is sturdy and everything is adjusted. And if you are planning on gluing it together, you don't have to. It's very sturdy the way it is, but if you choose to use the glue, you're going to have to take apart each piece, and you'll take the glue and just swab it on the inside of each elbow and each T, and then put it back together. When you put it together, you're going to have to make sure that everything is aligned, because the glue will harden pretty quickly. All right, so we are finished. There's the toy bar. If you have any questions, you can email me at kristin.oien@state.mn.us. Thank you.